Hi there, Smart Drivers. Rick with Smart Drive Test talking to you today about truck aprons. This is video number 17 in the Veda series. Stick around, we'll be right back with that information. Hi there, Smart Drivers. Welcome back. Truck aprons provide more space at slip lanes and at roundabouts to accommodate larger vehicles moving through the intersection. Now, if you're new to Smart Drive Test, Smart Drive Test helps new drivers get a license, veteran drivers to remain crash-free, and CDL drivers to start a career as a truck or bus driver. So if you're new here, consider subscribing as well. Hit that bell. That way you'll get instant notification when I get the videos up for you. Truck aprons provide more room. They're constructed of stamped colored concrete. And unfortunately, they give you the illusion of paving stones, but in fact, they're reinforced concrete and will support the weight of larger, heavier vehicles to get around on a slip lane, on a right-hand turn, or through a roundabout. And they facilitate the flow of traffic through the intersection, meaning that more vehicles can move through the intersection per hour because these larger vehicles can make a right-hand turn and not deviate out into the outside lane, because the truck apron will allow for off-tracking. Off-tracking is simply the shorter path that the rear tires take through a turn as opposed to the front tires of the vehicle. And off-tracking is one of the most difficult things that new CDL drivers have to deal with when they're learning how to drive. So take note of these, because if there's a truck apron at the slip lane, you can allow the trailer to go up over the truck apron, and you can simply stay in the right-hand lane and not deviate out into that left lane. And the reason it facilitates more volume of traffic through the intersection per hour is because left-hand turning vehicles can also move through the intersection at the same time, and it leaves that outside lane open. But as well, be careful, do not pull in beside a larger vehicle, because that driver may not know about truck aprons and may deviate out into that left-hand lane. So be cautious if you're making a left-hand turn and another vehicle is turning right. As I always say, move into the spaces between the vehicles, not in beside the vehicle. I'm Rick with Smart Drive Test. For another great video, click here. To subscribe, click here. And for a great course, click here as well. Thanks very much for watching. Good luck on your road test. And remember, pick the best answer, not necessarily the right answer. Have a great day. Bye now.